Hey guys, in this episode, we're gonna do some vibe coding together. We're gonna use the cursor and we're gonna implement some small task project and we're gonna do create operations. We're gonna connect the database like Postgres. We're gonna use Docker Compose. And I think it's gonna go really short and we're gonna make it up and running, but it's not gonna be production ready. So I hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe to the channel, also like the video, and let's go. Create Docker Compose file with Postgres. So we're gonna run the Postgres on Docker, but the project itself is gonna run in the local. So that is our Docker Compose file. And yeah, I'm gonna change, let's ask him. I'm not gonna change anything. Let's use a different port for host. I already have some Postgres is running, so it's gonna use the different port here. All right, let's go and create infrastructure file and folder and database connection there. Let's have a database connection. In the meantime, I'm gonna do the Docker Compose up. Yeah, it looks like it is working. And I'm also gonna do the Docker mod init. I'm gonna close this. Let's say tasks. It's not Docker, but it's Go. And I'm gonna do code tidy. Why is Python? I want Golang. Yeah, I think that's our mistake. We gotta indicate. So I'm going to delete this. It's a bit get connection. Let's run the PQ library. And let's change the name to a new connection. That's good. And let's define models directory and user and task structs in it with basic builds. So let's see. We need to structure the project a little bit. So user with the name and email, and the task is, yeah, pretty simple. Let's accept all. Let's create main and also services around task with CRUD operations, and also define repository in the service with the CRUD operations. Yeah, let's see. So we have the task service with the CRUD operations interface, and that is using that interface. And basically, but the thing is, it wrote everything here, which I don't want it. I want you to move SQL part to infrastructure and have task repo there, which is implementing the interface, and use that repo in the service for DB operations. Let's see. A little bit refactoring, but so far it's going good. Let's accept first and see the service has changed. Now you're using the repo, and yeah, it delegated everything to the repo. And let's check the repository, task repo, and yeah, that looks quite good. It even used the contacts and using the database. Let's first create migration and run it. So we have the table. We are getting there. We are getting there. So far is good. So I'm using the 4.1 GPT version. This is already working, so I don't need to run this. Waiting the approval, but let's say the run anyway. I think that should be idempotent anyway. Let's see the migration first. Yeah, migration is here. Let's accept. So it asks me to run it. No. Is Docker is still there? Yeah, it's here. Let's run whatever he asks. Okay, it's successful. Copy it. Now rerun. Okay, looks like migration works. Let's have a HTTP server in main and basically use the service and provide CRUD operations to web. Okay, let's see. We missed the template part, but let's see. I'm gonna close everything now. And it started to change the main. And we have the tasks and the posts, and this is doing get, put, and all the operations. Looks like so far good. It's gonna run 8080. So let me first go run main go. Okay, I think we had the problem with the go mod. Let's rerun this, and okay, looks like it fixed. I think it was tasks. Okay, we have a problem here. So it wants me to run some. Okay. Now let's create the templates for CRUD operations so I can use the service. So let's create the layout, task list, accept all, and rerun it. The problem is it didn't use it. So I have to tell, use those templates in the HTTP. Yeah, I think it was asking anyways. Mas doing the refactor. Let's see. Let's accept and cut it and rerun it. The problem, I'm not seeing anything. Don't use layout as just simple HTML. Let's run it again. All right, we start to see something. Let's add a task. We can update and maybe delete. Yeah, definitely the view can be improved, but at least the basic CRUD operations now looks working.